Placement of mini screw on buckle shelf of mandible. Another good position to place mini screws in mandible is buccal shelf area. This is buccal shelf. Buccal shelf provides flat and thick cortical bone. Usually the shelf starts between first and second molar, but a lot of individual variations exist. When placing screws in this area, we should consider very thick and movable mucosa, also very thick cortical bone. So we should choose the thickest screw in diameter and longer one. I prefer to use a 2.0 mm in diameter and 8 or 10 mm in length. And there is a high possibility of irritating the cheek when placed away from the teeth. We should place the screw close to the tooth as much as possible. Like this. Let's take a look at the procedure step by step. Step 1. Examine the area. With the index finger, examine the area where the best location to place the screw is. Step 2. Determine the point of entry. Measure distally between the root if possible. It depends on the location of buccal shelf. Occlusion gingivae. To minimize cheek irritation, set the entry point close to the tooth side, usually close to the mucogingival junction. Step 3. Set the initial path of insertion. To prevent the slipping of the screw at the initial stage of insertion, start the insertion with angulation almost perpendicular to the bone surface. By turning clockwise, insert the screw 3 to 4 mm first. Then stop turning and by reverse turning, pull back the screw halfway. Step 4. Set the final pass. After pull back, change the pass close to the teeth, around 40 to 60 degrees or as needed. To minimize cheek irritation, caution, do not change the pass while turning the driver. It can cause breakage of the screw, especially the tip of the screw. Step 5. Finish the insertion. Once the final pass determined, finish the insertion by turning clockwise. You can stop the insertion as needed. The screw is placed away from the root. Take a look at the difference between left and right side. Interradicular placement. Between 5 and 6. Between 3 and 4. And buccal shelf placement.